All right, we're back. We're still in Notes 12, page 3. We're doing arc length stuff. And this is like a little kind of application problem. It's also like basically just an algebra 1 problem. So an outfielder, well, until you get to, I think, this part. But an outfielder's throw follows the path y equals 1 over 300 x quantity 100 minus x, where x is measured in yards. Okay, so how far did the ball go horizontally? Well, like I mean, that's just the distance between the intercepts, right? So, uh, like, what's yeah, I find this problem to be like poorly written. I think I probably took it right out of a textbook, but like, so if y equals 0, I guess we get x equals 0, x equals 100, therefore 100 yards. I don't think there's anything more to it than that, so that's great. What maximum height did it reach? So like we can do calculus or we could do algebra. It's a parabola. So, I mean, we know that the max height when x equals 100 plus 0 divided by 2. So 50. Ooh, geez, like a million reminders going off here. So I don't know what that, oh, I do know what that's reminding me of. All right, that's, okay. So when the height is 50, holy cow. Our reminder app is open, everything's open. Okay. Hopefully this has not messed up my video. I don't know. Hopefully you didn't get to see any of that. Still debatable. Max height when x equals 50. Therefore, plug in 50. So y equals 1 over 300, 50 times 50. So 2500 over 300 is 25 over 3. Where do I get this? Go away. Okay. All right, good to go. The alternative is you just find the derivative of this, set it equal to 0, you're going to get 50, and then you plug in 50. So 25 over 3 is not very high, except it's in yards. So I guess it is like not that small. Yards. All right, how far did the ball travel through the air? Well, to do that, we need dy dx. And to get dy dx, I don't know the best way to do that. I'm gonna say that y equals 1 over 300, and then 100x minus x squared. So then dy dx is 1 over 300, 100 minus 2x. So let me duplicate that. I'm trying to decide if this is like a by hand problem or a by calculator problem. Doesn't seem like something we really want to do by hand, but who knows. I'm going to divide everything by 2. 50 minus x over 150. So we need to go the integral from, it's in the air between 0 and 100. So 0 to 100, square root of 1 plus the quantity, 50 minus x over 150. There was really no reason to simplify that, actually. Dx, calculator problem. Definitely doing a calculator problem here. So let's switch, and we will see. You know, soon there's going to be another notification. So I have like one for the warning bell for school to start, and then I have one for the first period starting. But it's still before school started, but I turned on my bell schedule already. So that's what that was. All right, arc length of 1 over 300 x times 100 minus x, I think, comma x, 0 to 100. And I'm just going to, oh no, we'll go decimal. 101.822. So like, what does that mean? 101.822. So I mean, I guess what that basically means is that like, this is like a super wide parabola, like super crazy wide. So it looks kind of like, you start here at 0, and this is 100. And the highest you ever get, if we do it to scale, is like, oh, hold on. I'm on the wrong thing. The highest you ever get if we drop to scale is like 8-ish. So here's what I've drawn so far. You're never gonna get more than like 8. So that's like this kind of. So at 50, it's gonna be like this. And so basically the arc length is like not significantly different from if you like rolled the ball. which is weird. But also, I mean, I think it is what it is. Like the other thing, sometimes because I find this such a strange result, you can make like triangles, uh, and they're like the same, and add those two hypotenuses up, and you'll get a value that's like in between, and it actually is in between. So like if you doubt it, try that and see what you get. But weird result, but I mean, it's still yards. So yards are weird, right? But we're talking baseball, so I don't know. All right, I'm gonna end this here. I will be back in the next video to do some more. So I will see you then.